everyone. This is strange, a sit down video. How long has it been? It's been a very long time. So today's video is impromptu, it is not planned, and it's going to be therefore very short and sweet. I wanted to address something quickly, not because anyone's asked me to. I literally just thought I owe you guys a little bit of an explanation as to why things have changed and what my plans are for the channel going forward. Basically, in a nutshell, and I mentioned this very briefly in a vlog. If you haven't seen it, I'm going to link that on the screen because it kind of vaguely explains, but I wanted to go in a bit more detail today as to why I have started tracking and pointing again. Now, before I get started, I just want to reiterate, which I did in the last vlog, that this is nothing to do with weight gain or weight loss. This is about me and my snacking and portion control habits and choices. I've always mentioned in my WW videos that portion control was the main reason I nailed my weight loss, and I've managed to keep it off all this time. But what I've noticed, especially since I started working full time, is because my time is so much less, I've been cooking a lot less, and therefore I have been reaching for things that have just not been that healthy, and my snacking habits have been all over the place, and my portion control has crept up and up and up. And I have gained a tiny bit of weight. When I say a little bit, I mean half a stone. It's minor, and to be quite honest and to be candid, I needed to gain that weight. I was looking quite unhealthy at one point. I'd gone to a size 6 and now I'm an 8, and I definitely feel like it's a healthier weight, far less gone. I have a bit of a chest coming back, which is amazing after not having one really for so long. But I'm not gonna lie and say that that hasn't been difficult, even though I knew it's what my body needed. That's the thing with mental health. That is why it's a struggle, but especially when you've had a severe weight change, is because that fear never leaves you. That anxiety to maintain, that anxiety to keep on a certain path, it really does take over. And I am no exception to that, even though I do the tips and I share my views, and at one point was a WW ambassador, which I stepped down from. I know there's a lot of talk, people saying that they asked me to step down because I had an eating disorder. I definitely did have disordered eating to an extent, but I decided to step down for me. And even though I have got the app again and I am tracking, I am in no way affiliated with them. I am not an ambassador, and I am not essentially promoting any service. All I'm doing is sharing my meals, what I'm eating, my reasons for that, and my journey kind of going forward for wellness. Again, this isn't about weight loss, weight gain. This is about just making smarter choices, which I feel has been lacking. And it makes me accountable, and I've noticed that when I have a visual target, I'm much more focused. And I think over time, it's a little bit out of sight and out of mind. And with the festive season coming, I wanted to get a handle on it now before I am just there with the mince pies. just like, give me all the mince pies. And having a snack is fantastic, and having snacks is great. And you guys will know throughout my weight loss, I always had chocolate every single day. But what I was worried about was if I wasn't tracking and I noticed that my portion control wasn't addressed and my snacking habits weren't addressed, I worried that I would have gone to the other extreme of, well, I can't have any of it. And I don't want to get back into that mindset. I don't think it's healthy, nor do I think it's sustainable. So my plan is to start tracking again. And I have been matched to green, believe it or not. I was totally not expecting to be tracked to a green or put on a green plan, but I have, and I have to say, it's fine. You know, it's a bit different, but I think that'll be great because my what I eat days are returning, which I know so many of you will be happy about, because I get comments daily on previous videos, people reaching out and saying that you're already going through them again and rewatching them. And that makes me so happy. I've missed filming them, to be honest. And again, I've missed having that passion to go and find interesting things to eat. I've definitely put that by the wayside, and I want that to change. So that's my plan. The What I Eat Todays are coming back, and I'm very excited about that. I'm gonna pop this video up first, so you guys are not just like shocked as to, whoa, what I eat today, what's happening. They're not going to be every other day, guys. I just do not have the time for that like I had before. But I'm going to endeavour to put 2 a week up. We'll see. I'm going to try at least 1 a week for sure. But I'm going to try and do 2 a week. And who knows, if I really get into the swing of it, you may see them a little bit more frequently. But for now, I feel like To commit to 2 videos is quite a big ask when I've been filming one every 3 weeks, which has been vlogs, and I absolutely adore vlogs. But yeah, you're gonna see me a little bit more regularly now, guys, so I hope that you enjoy it. Comment down below, let me know what you think, and also if you've had a similar kind of thing, and I don't want anyone sort of messaging and saying, Natasha, you're out of control, you're really small, why are you trying to lose weight? This isn't a weight loss thing for me. I have, you know, I do have to say, I don't want to have to rebuy all my clothes again. My clothes were all in a size 8, so if I can stay at this size 8, that would be fantastic. But I definitely wouldn't have done if I'd have kept going on the path that I have been on. Because now, like I said, I'm a size 8, so I don't want to have to rebuy my clothes again. I don't want to have to mess about with everything again. And I wanted my choices to be better. I've noticed it and I want to address it. I feel like I'm at that point where I've got a handle on it. I feel like it'll become more manageable. It's not quite as overwhelming. So I wanted to give you guys an update. That is what's happening. I hope you're excited for all of the content you're about to get. And of course, that's alongside vlogs. And I might even start bringing the monthly favorites back, guys, because there's been so much recently that I've been loving. I've nailed a new skincare. This is literally, my skin has been clear for quite a long time, and I've had so many people asking will I share what I've been using, and I absolutely will. I feel like even with work now, things are starting to calm and I've got my mojo and I'm not a new employee anymore trying to find my way. I very much know what I'm doing now and I can plan. So yeah, I hope that that is good news for you all. I'm going to try and aim and get this up quite soon after my vlog. I'm hoping that a vlog will go live today, which will be the most recent vlog that you've just seen, where I kind of address where my head was at and what's led me to this decision today, or a couple of days ago rather. But yes, I hope you enjoyed that vlog. Go and watch it if you want a bit more context, and I hope you're all excited. Give it a thumbs up if you are, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in my next video.